Today we're going to install a new mass airflow sensor on this 2016 Chevy Cruze LT. Just made a video of how to remove it. Now we're going to make a video of how to install it. Here's the replacement. There's the replacement part number directly from GM. Alright, first thing we're going to go ahead and do is take it out of the bag, obviously, and we're going to go ahead and slide it right into here, just like so. This is designed so it only goes one way. Does not match. Perfect. So let's grab our two securing bolts and put them into place here. And right underneath here, right there. Go ahead and secure those. Alright, and we're going to be using a Torx 25 to secure these down. This one here. And then the one back there. It's a little awkward position. Just go ahead back and forth until you get this nice and tied down. Alright, once this is both secured, go ahead and grab the pigtail, plug it in, latch it down to secure it, and you're set. And that is how you install a new mass airflow sensor on this 2015, 16 Chevy Cruze. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.